Do you want to know how to get today's date in Smartsheet? Well, there's a simple formula that enables you to do so, which I'm going to show you now. So first and foremost, open up the sheet and locate the cell that you would like to bring the date into. One thing I would mention is that this will not work unless your column is set as a date type. So to do that, right click on the column, click Edit Column Properties, and make sure date is selected. And if you've got other data that you want to add to this column, I wouldn't select this. Do not select that, or otherwise you're going to be it's going to not allow you to enter kind of text if you wanted to do that. So, but what you need to do, as I say, is select date as the column type. And then all you need to do, so we're going to put it into column 3, row 2. All you need to do is type equals today, enter, and then enter again, sorry. So we've got essentially today, open bracket, close bracket, enter, and that is going to give you today's date. If you wanted to add additional days, you can also put plus. So say you wanted today's date plus 10 days, put today, open bracket, close bracket, 10. And that's going to add 10 days. So now we've got 10 days onto today. So as I say, to get this to work, equals today, open brackets, close brackets, hit enter. And that is how you get today's date in Smartsheet. If this video was useful, please hit the like button and please do consider subscribing to my channel. I've got over 30 Smartsheet training videos that may be of interest to you. And with that said, I hope you have an excellent day.